Hi, my name is Paige Waters. I work here at Sunrise Marine in Alabama. Today we're going to go over just a little bit of maintenance on your live well pump. Today I have a Atwood Tsunami 1200 gallon per hour pump, and this is something we see a lot of in our Robalo boats. Just a little general maintenance. Take it off. There's a little red button here. You'll push that, twist it, pop it off. Make sure no trash is trapped inside. Always check your impeller and make sure that's good and it's connected. We tend to see these fall off every once in a while, so just always maintain it. Make sure that there's nothing trapped in it and nothing to cause it to fall off. Also, one thing we see is they get airlocked. Anytime that you leave your live well pump on as you are loading your trailer or loading it on the trailer, and your live well pump's still running, it'll airlock it because it's getting no water flow to the pump. So when that happens, you want to pull this out. Pull the cartridge, let a little bit of water run through, cap it, just a twist, tighten it back on, and let your water flow through for a few minutes. Turn it off, then load your boat back up. Again, my name is Paige Waters. I work here at Sunrise Marine. We have a full parts and service shop. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call and we'll be happy to help you.